Everyone, myself Professor Simi Rakshit, associated with Swami Vivekananda Institute of Modern Science, Kolkata. In this video, I am going to discuss about market structure. This is a topic under macroeconomics. First of all, I will discuss about meaning of market. So all of us have an idea about market. So simply we can say that market is a place where commodities are bought and sold at retail or wholesale prices. Thus, a marketplace is thought to be a place consisting of a number of big and small shops, stalls, and even hawkers selling various types of goods. So from our common sense or from our basic knowledge, we can say that market is a place where lots of buyers and lots of sellers are present, and they are engaging buying and selling of different types of goods and services. But from the viewpoint of economics, the term market does not refer to a particular place as such, but it refers to a market for a commodity or commodities. So from the viewpoint of economics, market is not only a particular space. So here the market means market of a particular commodity or a specific commodity, or a market of commodities means different types of commodities. It refers to an arrangement whereby buyers and sellers come in close contact with each other directly or indirectly to sell and buy goods. Now next topic under this, types of market. So there are mainly four types of market: perfect competition, monopolistic competition, monopoly, and oligopoly. In this video, I am going to cover only only perfect competition or perfectly competitive market. So what is perfect competition or perfectly competition? A perfect competition market is one in which number of buyers and sellers is large, all engaged in buying and selling a homogeneous product without any artificial restriction and possessing perfect knowledge of market at a time. So these are the features of perfect competition. So where the number of buyers means here lots of buyers and lots of sellers are present, and they are engaged in buying and selling of homogeneous products. So I will discuss this features of this market when I will discuss the features of market. Now artificial restriction are not present here, and buyers and sellers have the proper knowledge of the market. So ultimately we can say that perfect competition is a market structure in which all firm is an industry are price takers, and in which there is freedom of entry into and exit from industry. Now next topic is here features of perfect competition. So first one is here large number of buyers and seller. Next one is here no buyers and seller can influence ruling market price by their own action. Then freedom of entry or exit of firms, homogeneous product, absence of artificial restriction, complete knowledge about market. So now I will discuss each and every features of perfect competition market elaborately. So here the first one is number of firm is large. Large means what one firm does has no bearing on that other firms do. Any one firm's output is minuscule when it compared with the total market. Next one means next feature is no buyer and seller can influence ruling market price by their own action. So here the basically buyer and sellers are the price taker. They can't influence the price of the market. So price of the markets is totally depends on the demand and supply of the market. Then next features is here freedom of entry or exit of firm. In perfect competition, the startup cost and cost of production are very less and the demand of product is high. Thus, entry into the market is easy. So, here the entry into the market is very easy. In case some enterprise incur losses and survival in the market become difficult due to competition, then it is free to exit. Now next features is homogeneous product. Firms sell identical product with similar features and pricing. So here homogeneous product means same type of product or similar kinds of product. No buyer has any preference for the product of any individual seller over other. Absence of artificial restriction. The Dubai market is free from artificial restriction. For sellers, government barriers are less. Sellers are allowed to freely sell their product into the market. Buyers are also free to buy goods and services offered by seller. Complete knowledge about market. Seller have the full knowledge like required cost, market tactics, technological requirements and level of supply as per demands in the market. The buyer is fully informed about the availability of product, its features, quality and prices. So here the buyers and seller have the full knowledge about the market. So these are the examples of perfect competition like agricultural market, free software market, street food vendor. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.